Decimals made easy. Multiplication magic. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to tackle an exciting topic in the world of numbers: multiplying decimals by whole numbers. But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to be a decimal multiplication master. Before we jump into multiplication, let's make sure we're all comfortable with what decimals are. A decimal is a way to represent fractions using numbers based on tens. For instance, 0.5 is equivalent to the fraction 1/2. It's the number system we use every day. Whole numbers are like the superheroes of the numbers world. They are complete, with no fractional parts. Whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on will play a crucial part in our decimal multiplication story. Here is where things get interesting. Let's say you have a decimal number like 0.5, and you want to multiply it by a whole number, say 3. You would just multiply as if the decimal isn't there, and then bring it back at the end. Here's an example. 0.5. Treat it like 5. Multiplied by 3 equals 15. Now, because our decimal had one digit after the decimal point, our answer should also have one digit after the decimal point. So, 15 becomes 1.5. So, 0.5 multiplied by 3 equals 1.5. It's important to remember to always count your decimal places when multiplying decimals. To really grasp this concept, it's essential to practice. Try multiplying different decimals by various whole numbers and check your answers with a calculator. Well done! You've just taken a big step in understanding how to multiply decimals by whole numbers. Remember, the key is to treat the decimal like a whole number, do the multiplication, and then bring the decimal point back in. So keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a decimal multiplication whiz. Thanks for joining us, and happy calculating!